Alright guys, and welcome back to the channel. Today is going to be very exciting. I'm doing things a little bit differently and we're trying some new stuff, so I hope you guys like this. And if you do, give it a big thumbs up. And so today we're going to start off with talking about you need to tip your server based off the service you get and not the food you get. So let's get started. Bob, you know what? We're not going to tip out this waitress because this is the worst food I've ever had in a restaurant. Well, Matt, you know, if you didn't order a fish out here in the middle of nowhere, you want to have this problem. Alright guys, so this is what typically happens in a restaurant. You know, you and your two friends are usually saying, you know, this is not good, the food sucked, or it was burned, or it wasn't that awesome. And when that happens, it's not the waitress's fault. It's never her fault because the food is horrible. If it's cold, maybe her fault if it's cold because she let it sit in the window too long. Generally, not really though. So the big thing is the service. If the service is good, you need to tip her off of that. And here's an example. Bob, she was awesome though. We gotta leave this girl a tip because she kept our waters full, man. She was here the whole time making sure everything was good. Well, Matt, you know, if you didn't just get the fish, you know, yeah, she did a good job. She did give us all the service that we wanted. But man, that fish was horrible. You told me it was the worst fish you ever had. She did a great job. She was attentive and she kept our drinks full and she was very polite to us. So we gotta leave her some. Alright, man, I have to agree. You're right. Alright, we should leave her a tip. You're completely right. I understand. You want to base it off the service. Did she keep your cups full? As in, like, once they get halfway down, did they refill it fast or they took priority over it and did it? Now, another thing you have to take into account is if it was busy. If they have a really busy night, it's very hard to keep track of everybody because sometimes they're usually understaffed or they're just spread out too far. And that happens a lot. And you won't see that often if you're not in the food industry. So you have to take those into account as well. There's different factors. And it's just not her fault because your food was cold. Don't tip her or him off of just because of the food. Yes, if the food was awesome, sometimes you tip off the food. That's okay, but she's trying to make a living or he's trying to make a living off the service they provide for you. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you like these kind of videos, please let me know in the comment section below. And if you guys don't like them, please let me know down below and we'll try something else. So give me a big thumbs up if you liked it. Also, if you're stopping in for the first time, please hit that subscribe button down below and we will be back next Monday.